Yo, what's up, guys? It's me, Mario and Luigi Gaming. Today is a little bit different. You seen the last video of Oliver Game Jr. songs. This is another tutorial video, and this is on a iPad, Android, or Apple. This is a tutorial how to connect the iPad on a TV. So, turn on the iPad. Don't show the password. You're on the iPad. And yeah, this is the iPad you got, or iPhone, or Android. Probably most are Androids. Or no, Apple. So if you go to scroll there, or not there, not in the middle, come in the right top corner, bring that up, and if you see these two screens, two TVs, you click on that, and the password, you have to click on that Samsung QRST series, click on that, and you do a password on your TV. And yeah, so that's, click on that, and then you come up with this AirPlay code, enter the assumption of code of QRSS. But how you just connect, just go back home, press home, press this button, and then boom, vanish. And that's how you connect to the Apple iPad to the TV. So if you like this tutorial, like to subscribe, and like this video, and I'll see you in another tutorial video if you like this one. Subscribe and see you next time. Bye.